Why this is 1 minute English with me? 1 minute কি ইংরেজি শেখা যায়? Tutorials are not of 1 minute. So well, there are a lot of questions behind this naming 1 minute English with Meem, and today I'm here to put all these questions at rest. So basically, when I started to upload my videos in my YouTube channel and Facebook page, so the tutorials were of 1 minute or less than 1 minute. So I was really confused about the naming. I thought, what can be the name? So one of my friends suggested that as all the videos are of 1 minute or less than 1 minute, so the name can be 1 minute English or learn 1 minute English. So I thought this can be 1 minute English with Meem. And that's how it started actually. But now the tutorials are way more larger than 1 minute because it is very difficult to finish a lesson within 1 minute. But the naming is just a naming, and I'm not going to change this name anymore. So name is name, and the main purpose is to learn spoken English, to remove our fear of English, and to be confident about ourselves. So well, stay connected everywhere in YouTube channel 1 minute English with Meem, in our Facebook page and group named 1 minute English with Meem, and just keep learning English easily, because learning English is now easy peasy.